Hello everybody and welcome to my first Ruby on Rails tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to make a messenger bot using Ruby on Rails. Actually we are going to do it the hard way. We are not going to use the messenger bot gem, or I think it's called Facebook Messenger gem, and we are going to do everything by ourselves because this will teach us how to make how to parse JSON and how to make an HTTP request, which gives you like a very good introduction to APIs. So by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to have something like this, which has the message you may receive, which is hi, and the bot's reply. So if the bot had hi, it will reply with hello, I love you. And this is a test I made. I sent to my bot hi, and this was his reply. Okay, let's go and see how to make this. Let's first of all delete this conversation. Okay, and basically I have a Facebook page called Railsbot, which will be connected to our app. So you have to make a page, and I don't know what's wrong with. Oh, I don't have the charger. Just a second. Yes, now it's charging. It will perform better. Okay, we will need all these links. I will delete the Facebook app which I made to start everything over. Needs my password. Okay, and let's create Rails bot, and it needs my contact email. Okay, Kate. Okay, KJMFMU, if I can read. And now we have our Facebook app created, so we will get started in the messenger part. So yes, okay, this is great. We can connect it to our page and we get our access token. Okay, let's go to the most important part of the tutorial, which is setup hooks. Okay, setup hooks is the thing which connects the Rails app to the Facebook app. So it needs a URL, but we are working on a local host, so I'm going to use something called ngrok, if I'm spelling it right. And basically what ngrok does, it connects your local server to the internet, so you don't have to deploy and redeploy after every change, and this saves a lot of time for testing, and this is really great. You can go to their website and get more details. I need this code. Okay, let's create our Rails app. I will close everything. This is the old one and I will start over. Okay, and let's also delete our old Rails app. Where is that? Move to trash and empty trash. Yes. Oh, maybe I'm using some of them. Okay, great. Let's create our Rails app again. Rails new bot. Now we have our Rails app being installed. Okay, great. See, and we will start our server. Sorry. Great. So right now our local host should be working at this gate. Now we are going to connect ngrok to this website. Ngrok is called the tunnel. Okay, so right now I have the file of ngrok here. So if I run this, I will get the commands that I can use. I need this one. So, and it needs the port, which is 3000. Look, yeah, this one. Okay, and let's run it. It will give us a URL. I will use the HTTPS one. And now this URL is connected to our local server, and this is really great. Thanks to ngrok, if I'm pronouncing you the right way. Okay, so right here we can use this URL which is connected to our local server, and Facebook needs a token. Okay, I will write the code first and then we will talk about the logic behind it. Okay, I will make text on these two. If I hit verify and save, we will get an error actually because uh, it's expecting something, but we are replying with a completely different thing. Let's go to our log and check what is Facebook doing. Okay, no, not this one. Yeah, this one. Look, Facebook is sending us this JSON. So basically, Facebook needs us to verify if the verify token is true, which is ASD, which we wrote it here. If it's a true, so we have to reply with hub.challenge. So let's write the code for that. I'm going to use atom. I'm new to atom. This is my first time to use it. I usually use sublime, but I like it so much. So yes, I need to go to sites, and we should find bot now. Yeah, here we go. Open. Okay, great. So let's create our first controller. Okay, in the directory. That's unclear. Okay, I will call it generate controller callback, and it will have index and receive data. Okay, and this is great. Okay, okay, let's go first to the routes. Where is the routes? It's in config routes. Yes, and right here I will make it the root. So our root is going to be callback index. Okay, great. Let's check that too. So that should go to callback index. Yes, great. Okay, let's go right now to our new controller. Okay, which is inside controllers, callback controller and index. Okay, f params is, let's check in the log. What does Facebook send? Is it in this one? No. Yes, it's here. If params hub.verify token, let's take the whole thing. Yes, and this should equal ASD. which is our code there. Okay, so we should render text, which is hub.challenge. Okay, so params hub.challenge, and this should work. Let's go here. Yes, and verify and save. Great. Now it's connected, our Facebook app is connected to our Rails app, which is really great. Let's select our page, Railsbot, the one I made, and here's the access token. Okay, and we can now select Railsbot and subscribe to it. Okay, and this is really great. Okay, this is the end of the first tutorial. See you in the second tutorial, and the most important one, because we are going to pass the data and make our first reply. See you in the second tutorial. Thank you.